Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use Telegram without phone number. So guys, maybe you want to use Telegram but you do not have your own phone number. And what can you do in order to use Telegram without a phone number? So don't be worried, because I have a solution for you, and that is that you do not need your real phone number to use Telegram. You can use a temporary phone number that is available on the internet. So now I will show you. So now go on your any browser. Now tap on the search bar and search receive SMS online. So guys, you can select any site that you like, but I am selecting the first one. So you can select any number of your own choice. So I am selecting this one. Now you can just copy the number from here, and after copying the number, go to your Telegram, tap on start messaging, and then you can enter those number here. And once you enter the number, then you want to tap on the arrow option. Then it is going to send a verification code to this phone number. So to the get verification code, you need to just tap on the update message. And then you will see the verification code at the bottom. Then you enter the code with your Telegram and your verification will be successful, and thus you can open a Telegram account. So guys, that's it. That's how you can use Telegram without phone number. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.